Okay, this video is on Viewmaster. Viewmaster invented in 1939 by Oscar Mayer. He lived in Portland, Oregon, but he's not the same Oscar Mayer what invented the hot dog. Now here's a box for one of my Viewmasters. I use this one all the time when I look at them. This is Model E. Model E. I have a Model A and a Model B in the boxes too, but I don't use them much because they're not as easy to operate. When you take off this, there's nothing inside, but the box has design all around it. It shows you different adventure and different things and people that are on some of the reels. Now this is what Model E viewer look. Model E almost looks like a cat with two eyes. And notice this lever that advanced the wheel. It's red. Most of them are not red. They're beige. Okay, I'll get some wheels. Now these are Bible stories, the red ones, and the blue and white one is Christmas story. I'll show you now. This the wise men. All the words are in red, and they come with booklet. The wise men find Jesus, and each scene, different scenes match up with the different ones you're looking at. Like you can look at the picture and someone else can read the story. Let's go. If you never see one before, I'll show you. You put in there and then it moves it to the next one. So these are different Bible stories. Jesus turned water to wine. The good, I don't like, the prodigal son, A, prodigal son, B, and this one, Christmas Story 1, Christmas Story 2, Christmas Story 3. Well, I'm sorry I can't show my other viewer, but my uncle walks them up because he says they're worth money and he doesn't want me to break them. I disagree. I won't break them, but I live with my uncle since my parents died. I was supposed to live with my sister, but she moved far away, so I live with my uncle. Okay, I still have more videos on Viewmaster. I show them soon. Thank you, and I got more too, but I have World's largest buttonhole collection, and I collect pennies and other things I will show you. Okay, bye.